Somaliland, nestled in the Horn of Africa, is a land of contrasts and untapped potential. In recent years, the country has embarked on ambitious infrastructure projects aimed at stimulating economic growth and fostering sustainability. In this video, we delve into how the construction of a cement factory, the development of a hydroelectric dam in Iskudarka near the Sheikh Mountains where the most of Somaliland's seasonal rivers meet, and the utilization of water resources for electricity power and agricultural growth can transform Somaliland's landscape and economy. The cement factory, one of the key pillars of Somaliland's development strategy, is the revival and construction of the Berbera cement factory. Beyond meeting local demand for construction materials, this project aims to bolster the country's economy and create employment opportunities. By investing in local industries like cement production, Somaliland reduces its dependency on imports, strengthens its economic resilience, and fosters a sense of self-reliance among its people. The ongoing surveying and the construction of the cement factory signifies Somaliland's commitment to laying the groundwork for sustainable economic growth. As for the Somaliland government vision of growth and resilience, the hydroelectric dam in Iskudarka, nestled among the majestic Sheikh Mountains where most of the main Somaliland major seasonal rivers meet, lies the future site of Somaliland's hydroelectric dam. This ambitious project holds the promise of revolutionizing the country's energy landscape by harnessing the natural flow of water to generate clean, renewable electricity. The hydroelectric dam not only reduces reliance on fossil fuels but also contributes to mitigating climate change and preserving Somaliland's natural environment. From the intake structure to the transmission lines, showcasing the sophistication and potential of this renewable energy source. The construction of this ambitious project will cost $220 million to the Somaliland taxpayer. But access to reliable electricity can transform lives and livelihoods across Somaliland. Hospitals, businesses, factories, and 6 million households can benefit from this project's increased productivity and expanded market reach, while communities can enjoy improved quality of life with the electricity powering homes, schools, and healthcare facilities. The completion of the hydroelectric dam symbolizes Somaliland's commitment to sustainable development and its determination to build a brighter future for its people. Utilizing water resources for agricultural growth, the benefits of infrastructure projects will extend beyond energy generation to agricultural development. The reservoir created by the hydroelectric dam, combined with water from the Togdheer, Wahine, Darbudhak, and many other rivers, holds the key to unlocking the agricultural potential of the Togdheer, Sahel, and Sul regions. Farmers can diversify their crops, increasing yields and improving food security for their communities. By harnessing water resources for agricultural growth, Somaliland is not only feeding its population but also laying the groundwork for a resilient and prosperous agricultural sector. In the Horn of Africa, Somaliland is embracing the potential of infrastructure projects to drive economic growth and foster sustainability. From the construction of a cement factory to the development of a hydroelectric dam and the utilization of water resources for agricultural growth, these projects are transforming Somaliland's landscape and economy. As the region continues on its path of development, it stands poised to reap the rewards of its investments in infrastructure and innovation, paving the way for a brighter future for generations to come.